siya sa first floor. Hindi siya mahirap hanapin. Kaso naglakad ako ng malayo kasi doon ako sa dating location. Ito lang siya kita sa corner ng 11th at saka 10th. At madali siyang hanapin. Kasi ayan o. Philippine Consulate of the Philippines. Ayan, nakaka-proud kasi may flag ng Pilipinas. Dali niyang hanapin. Dali lang siyang hanapin kasi ang lamig lang talaga. Ayan. At dahil sa pangarap na LDR no more. Ayan, kahit ang lamig-lamig. Dapat tayo mag-renew ng passport para makauwi naman ng Pilipinas. So, sabi ng consulate, napaka, ano nila guys, napaka, malumanay na yung salita. So, napaka, professional. And really, informative pagdating sa kasi sabi doon sa site ng requirements, wala kasi siyang requirements dito siya sa Calgary location, kaya nagtingin ako sa Vancouver. Ang sabi doon is exactly $87 to renew passport, pero ang sabi doon kailangan ng cash. Pero ang sabi ng ng cashier dito, actually kaka-start lang nila ng ng credit or debit 3 weeks ago. So ayan, sasali ko yan sa lahat ng information dyan sa ating description box para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan na magre-renew ng passport o nangailangan ng Philippine Consulate dito sa Calgary. Ayan, salamat po. Ayan, dito na tayo sa sasakyan. At ayan, thank you sa mga love at support dyan. Thank you sa wish ng good luck. At yan, sombrero tayo ng makapal, naka gloves kasi ang lamig-lamig sa labas, ang lamig-lamig. At ang nakakaano pa is nung sinamahan ko yung mama ko, nandyan lang yung dyan lang, malapit lang dito kung saan ang pinark. Saan ko pinark yung sasakyan ko. Diyan lang ang dating Philippine Consulate, no? Pero doon na pala, lumipat sila doon 5 blocks away. Dinakad ko pa yan. Kaso nakapark na kasi yung sasakyan ko dito, kaya matitipid tayo guys, kaya siuwi tayo ng Pilipinas. So nandoon siya banda sa yung dati. Pagpunta ko doon, sabi ko, bakit wala na yung dito? Ay kasi lumipat na daw sila noong during COVID time pa. So that's sabi ng security guard, that's 5 years ago. Pero sabi ng dito, yung isa sa cashier sa Philippine Consulate is lumipat nga sila 3 years ago. So pero napaka-accessible niya kasi bababa ka ng train station, few blocks lang away dito sa First Street. Corner siya ng First Street at saka 10th Avenue Southwest. Kung by the transit po kayo, mas madali dito sa bababa kayo sa may train station diyan sa may munisipyo ba 'yon? Sige, try ko na lang diyan sa description box. Hindi po kasi ako marunong kapag hindi ko nakikita. Ayan, explain ko na lang sa ating description box. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang shout out syempre ang Team Lovebirds at saka Sid Akiko Love Team na laging nagsusupport sa amin ni Dongo ko, Akiko ko. At thank you so much sa mga nag-wish ng good luck. Nandyan si RC Link TV Vlog, thank you. Phil Jeff Channel, si Morena Love, si Isabel Arasa, sino pa ba yung nandyan? Si Christine. Ayan, yung mga nandyan sa laging live chat namin ni Dongo. Maraming salamat sa laging pagmamahal, walang sawang pagbubuli. Ayan, si Israela pa ya, bully yan eh. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. I hope sabi doon sa Philippine Consulate, it's either 1 month to 3 months, kaya finger cross. Salamat. Thanks for watching.
lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. I gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do is feel you on my skin. Oh, let this feeling take me over. The way you take your time makes everything better. You were just on my mind. Now here we are getting together. I gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. All I ever wanted.
The Philippine flag right there.
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah.
That's where I got my passport.